Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. Sometimes you're going to get an assignment that's just so easy that Mr. Anderson all you can say is, you're welcome. So this one you're going to blow through. If you know what complementary and supplementary angles are by now, this one will not be an issue. So remember supplementary angles, two angles that add up to 180 degrees, complementary angles, two angles that add up to 90. So here, basically what you did in the last one, only you don't get the visual on it this time. You're looking for two supplementary angles on this one. Okay, two supplementary angles. One of the angles is 139 degrees. What's the other one? Well, you just simply do 180 minus 139. That's right, equals 41. That's all there is to it. Let's do one more. Okay, now we're talking about complementary angles. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Well, if one of them measures 22 degrees, we simply do 90 minus 22. Let's see, what is that? 90 minus 22? Oh, that's right, 68. Boom. Even though it's 7 problems, it should take you maybe a minute and a half to do this con today. You are welcome. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.